Pamela Baricuatro. Hindi ka naman political dynasty. Hindi ka naman paulit-ulit na tumatakbo. Why do you think did you win? What were the factors? I mean, other than, of course, you were endorsed by former President Rodrigo Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte. Why do you think did Cebu unseat Gwen Garcia now? Why did you win?
I believe, Karen, the people of Cebu really wants change na talaga. You know, they have been there for the longest time. And yet, our healthcare problem in Cebu is still, you know, very persistent. So I think yung mga tao na talaga, they had enough, I suppose.
Oo. So simple, maganda pagkasabi nyo. The people have had enough and they wanted a change.
Yeah.